Hello, so today I'd like to make a review of my SLG, and this SLG that I bought was purchased in Bangkok, Thailand at CM Paragon. So this was purchased in April. So this is an SLG and it comes in this nice bag. Opening it, it's a Pochette. Okay, so I've had this since 2017 and it comes with a short strap. So let's take a look at the hardware of this. I'm very happy because the hardware of my LV, they are actually not tarnishing at all. Maybe because of the reason that I don't use it a lot. I mean, not I use it like maybe 6 times, 7 times a month. So you could see that there is already patina in this tab. Okay, so it says Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. I'm so happy that I got one made in France. So as you can see, the hardware are really good. They are not tarnishing, and I love that the zipper glides very well. But of course, I cannot let you see how it glides because I'm holding my camera with my left hand. So this one comes with only this one, the short strap, and then it has a small pocket. I'm quite disappointed because of the envelope. I just wish that it came with the orange envelope, but it's okay. Sorry if it's raining outside. Maybe you're not hearing me quite well, but so let's move on. So this one comes with this. For authenticity purposes, it comes with this, and it also have this small cord which says the back coated fabric cow has leather trim, handmade lining, and of course the receipt. Okay, so let's open the receipt. And sorry if I have to hide some important details. I just want to show you that it was purchased in April 7, 2017. Okay, in Thailand. Those are the writings, which I cannot read, but for sure they are Thai. Yes. CM Paragon shopping complex, and that's it. And as I mentioned earlier, that I bought the long strap already here in the Philippines, already in Manila. So this strap, it came in this box. This is a long strap, and it came with this kind of envelope, which I'm happy about because the one is just an ordinary paper. This one is much better. So the long strap that I bought from the Philippines is the long one. I ordered this, and it came after about 3 weeks. So it came with this, of course, the dust bag, and this is the long strap of for my pochette. As you can see, it already has pretty patina. I've used this when we traveled in Japan. So we went around Tokyo and Niigata Prefecture. It rained a little. I was afraid, but I'm so lucky. There were no raindrops or any markings on this, and the hardware are really okay. So yeah, I'm glad it has a patina already. I mean, I bought this like in July 22nd, 2017. And this one is there are actually two brands. There are already 2 branches of LV in the Philippines. This one I bought this in Greenbelt for Makati. Okay, the other I think is in Ross Boulevard. I'm not sure. Ross Boulevard near MOA. So there, those are my LV items. So I seldom use this one. That's why if you compare the two, you can see that this has better patina than the other because this one is exposed to sunlight, to air, but this is already shiny but not as but doesn't have the honey color of this one. So if you have LV, I suggest that you let it out in the open air for a couple of days after you have purchased it, and then you can attain this kind of honey. I regret not having this exposed for so many days because I thought that it will patina in about a month or so after using it, but it doesn't. I love the patina of this one. So there it is. That's my review of my pochette. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.